ICCT stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at iCoreConnect stock, and from a first glance, it looks absolutely awful. Again, I'm not trying to be like this layered gap guy. No, it's awful. I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on mentors and courses, so I've seen what's working for me and what is not. That being said, ICCT is just not that good. I mean, it's not that it's not that good. It's awful, man. It's awful. I mean, I have nothing against it. Could short squeeze and whatnot, but for me, you can see even like my previous predictions on this, which is I was waiting for the short side, right? But that's like before these drawings. But generally speaking, I'm just going to mark down the lows. The likelihood that this keeps going down is quite high, so only going to be interested if it starts breaking about $4, and that's like has to go up 400%, you know. So, or is it 300? Let's see, maybe 5. Let's see. Yeah, almost 400. Yeah. So it's still a bearish market. Just let me know what is your thoughts. I'm not interested, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. You will find a lot of sauce there. See ya.